Hello, today I will share new Oriflame makeup products with you. First I introduce the One Everlasting Sync Foundation, and second product is Illuskin Face Primer. My next product is the One Long Lasting Mascara. Fourth one is the One Duo Eye Pencil. Both have smooth results and good textures. Finally, my favorite one on color matte lipstick, the shade is Bright Plum. Face primer that evens out skin tone, extends the wear of your foundation and minimizes the appearance of pores. Semi-matte foundation with unique skin response technology, lasts 30 hours, fade, sweat and transfer proof. Water resistant, SPF 30 and UVA protection. Now use my own eye shades. The highlighter side enhances your eyes and works to provide a lifted brow illusion too. Volumizing waterproof mascara with long-lasting wear, designed to reach even the smallest of lashes effortlessly for thicker-looking lashes. Matte lipstick with a smooth and creamy texture. Matte lipstick finish, long-lasting lipstick glide on with ease. Use lip line to shape your lips.